Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this video, we are going to talk about modulus operator. To do that, we are having this sign here. So if we are going to calculate the remainder when one number is divided by another. So modulus operator is going to gives us and finds us the remainder of a division of one variable by another variable. So let me give you an example. For example, here I'm saying that the remainder of 10 divided by 3. And then I'm using this modulus operator here. So when 10 is divided by 3, the remainder is going to be calculated using this operator, and we expect to see the output 1, because if you do the division, you see the remainder will be 1. However, the output of the division of 10 divided by 3 is calculated like this. So we are going to have 10/3. I'm going to repeat. If you're going to calculate the remainder of 10 divided by 3, it is going to be handled by modulus operator. But if you want to know the output of when 10 is divided by 3, you're going to use the slash sign here. Okay, another example is here. So x equals 20, y is 10. I'm having this x modulus y or x modula y. So their result is being assigned to z. Basically, this part of the code is going to do the following. So x is divided by y, and their remainder is going to be calculated using this part of the code, and it is going to be assigned to z. And here we are printing out the remainder of x divided by y is z. So z is going to be printed out here. And we are having the output of division of x by y is going to be assigned to h, and h is going to be printed out here. So when I run the code, we see the remainder of 10 divided by 3 is 1, which is this part. Okay, if you do the calculation, you will see that the remainder is 1. So when 10 is divided by 3, the output is this number, 3 point something, 3.33 for example. And here I'm having two variables, and if x divided by y, their remainder will be 0, because z is shown here. Okay, why? Because they are divisible. So 20 is divisible by 10, so their remainder will be 0. And finally, we are having the output of division of x by y to be assigned to h, and h is printed out here. So the output of 20 divided by 10 is 2. So basically in this video, we learned how to use modulus operator, and we distinguished the difference between modulus operator and division. So modulus operator is going to find us the remainder when one number is divided by another, but division is going to use the slash sign, and it is going to give us the output when one number is divided by another. Thank you for watching.